Today we want to discuss, or I would like to discuss about what is the n plus 1 problem in the Hibernate, what is it is all about, and what means how we can resolve it, and how we can just fix it. So that's all about the Hibernate. Okay, now let me go to our screen. Okay, what should it look like? The problem is, let me talk about the problem statement. And suppose that we have an employee, and employee have the tables, which could have the ID, and there could be the many employees were there, and there were the information regarding the department. It's a department. Okay, now a one department can have the many employees. Okay, so it's a kind of one to many relationship from the department table. So what's the problem is over here? So what happened when suppose that we have a requirement of fetching all the information about the department and its employee. So challenge with the Hibernate or any is not it is not particularly specific or related to any Hibernate. It's in general. So what it does, it just it is actually fire an additional queries into the backend to get all the information. For example, there is a 1, 2, and 3 employee would department IDs are there, and there is the 2, 3, and till thousands were being there. So what happened? This all the information could be available in a one single query, SQL query, but what happens? It fires first query to get all the departments. Okay, and one by one all the employees for each of the department. So means is the one for getting all the department, and thereafter what happens for each department all the employees. So it would be 1, 2, and 3 additional queries that is being fired. So now coming to I'm just wanted to just see this uh, pictorial diagram if we can see. Okay, okay, see, it's also it's the same kind of wherever is the one to many or many to one relationship, that everywhere you will face this particular issue. If you just want to get all the comments by the post, then in that particular you will also the face issue. Okay, let me give you the live example. For example, let me tell you. Okay, this is the employee table. Okay, where see how many employees are there. Select star from EMPLOYEE, and thereafter let me execute this one. Okay, these are the list of the employee that we have are there. And now the second command would be the second select star from department. Okay, right. So this would be the case. Okay, and then if we want to all the information, how many employees per per department, in that particular case we will facing this issue. Now talking about now showing into the real project. Okay, so this is our I believe that you always already have aware about the Hibernate. I'm just going through the two section. It's a client. Okay, okay, so in this section, okay, as we have just wanted to comment it over here, so this particular section will have an issue. Okay, let me execute this particular command and see how many additional query has been fired. See, this is a one query which fetch the record of the department, and for each department there is a one select query has been fired to get all the employees, although it could be possible to get in a single query. So let's see how to achieve it. Okay, so it's basically an HQL that we are writing it over there is a okay. So how we can do it is just uncomment this line and uh, just paste it over there. Then you just use the join fetch. Okay, from department D join fetch D dot employee. If you are using this word, then in that particular only the one single query will be fired and it will be available. Okay, so let me execute it and to show you guys. See, there is only one query is being fired and also the join has been performed. Okay, so just you can see over here. Now coming to again, if you are working version above than Hibernate 5, then you have a criteria language option, okay, or criteria APIs that you can also use it. Okay, criteria was introduced in Hibernate 5. So what we are doing here, session.create get criteria builder, and then builder.create query from the department, and query.from department.class, and then what we are going to do, we are just trying to execute it and session.create query and get result set, and then we are trying to write it over here. Okay, now just try to run it again and see how many queries being fired. In the same way, through the HQL, it's also fire n additional queries. Okay, now again come to back to fix this particular issue. We are just going to fix this issue by root.fetch, and we just pass the employee and what the kind of join we want. We want join type left, and just do run application and see. Only again we can, as we can see, that only one single query has been fired and with the single which is nothing but a join. So I hope you guys will are able to understand these things. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.